Hi everyone, I just got back yesterday. I have a ton of things I'm doing, but I wanted to get these recorded because they were waiting for me. And I'll get the giveaway for this month recorded and everything else. But let's just go ahead and jump into some unboxings. And I figured since this came in, we would go ahead and do this one with it. Let me make sure what this one is. Is this the July one? You know what? We'll just open them all. And I'm not sure which one's July. I'm sure it'll tell me at some point. None of them's May. But I have 4 Target beauty boxes. And we have a Walmart seasonal beauty box right here. So we'll open this one first, and then we'll open the other ones. Okay, first thing I see in here is the Pantene Intense Rescue Shots ampule. I think we got this. I can't remember what box I got this in, but I got that in another thing. Then we got enter to win a $100 gift card. Purely Pretty rate and review this season's products at Top Beauty Beauty Box. We have Collagen Peptides Vitality Blend with biotin. 1 serving with 8 ounces. Okay, so this is something you add to your drink. So I'm going to look at the ingredients and I'm going to see if I'm allergic to any of them. And if I'm not allergic, I'll probably do it. I don't know. We have Purifying Black Charcoal Mask by Sue. Let's see ingredients, because then I can let y'all know if it's going in a giveaway box right away. Mushroom. I don't see cranberry, so there's that mask. Then we have Dove Fresh Plus Care and Fresh Coconut Dry Shampoo. Y'all know I don't use dry shampoo, so that's automatically something getting added to a giveaway box. And we have a Salon Perfect Ready to Go Brow Kit. My voice is going out. I think it's allergies that make my voice go out because it's been doing this for a couple of days. But this is actually the first makeup product. It's got a brush with a spoolie and the little brush at the end. And it has a highlighter in here. And then it has... I hate trying to open these plastic things. I hate opening this period because I'm not sure if I'm going to use it. But I want to look at it closer. It's got a highlighting shade right there. I'm not touching anything. That's a highlighter shade. I don't think any of these match my colors, so I'm glad I didn't touch nothing. So this will be going in a giveaway box also, and I haven't touched anything, so I'm gonna put this back in its little thing. But yeah, none of those brow shades actually match my hair color, my eyebrow color. My eyebrow color is black. So this will go in a giveaway. So we got 2 items out of there that are going to a giveaway. And here's the little bag. I actually like this bag. I just have a lot of bags. So we're just going to stick the brow product and the dry shampoo from here into this and put it in the box. And we might use this box to add more stuff from the other stuff. And I'm not sure about this because I think I gave the other one away in a box. Okay, the first Target beauty box. It looks like this on the outside. This might be July's. Jet Set Go. Another ampule of Pantene. 630. So this might actually be last month's. So we'll see what's going on. We have Dry Shampoo by Tresemme. So another dry shampoo. I don't put all those into one giveaway. Oh, cool. I've never tried anything by Pixi really except for that eyeshadow palette. Purifier Skin Treats T-Zone Peel Off Mask. Let's see if it's open. No, it's not open, so I'm not going to open it because if I don't get to it within the next month, it goes in another giveaway. And we're definitely going to go ahead and put one of these ampules in a giveaway. This dry shampoo by Tresemme. And then we have Vinyl Luxe. Oh, they had me. I had to review these before. So I already have. This is Romantique. It's a little mini duo. It's got the top coat and the color. That's basically white. Weekly polish. It says 7-day wear. So there's that. I might put that in the giveaway also. So we'll hold that out. No, we'll just go ahead and stick it in there because I already have a full size ones of both. And here is Herbal Essence Dry Shampoo Revitalize. I don't use dry shampoos. So far, we got 3 dry shampoos. An ampule. And y'all know I add other stuff to all that. I take those things and add palettes or whatever to it. Okay, this box looks like this. It's different. I think you could go into Target and get these. I actually saw that someone posted that these are on clearance at an actual Target. This one is called So Fresh, So Clean. This is the orange one. We have grape, vitamin C, grapefruit, glow boosting peel off mask, and ingredients. There is not any cranberries in this, so I can actually keep this one as well. I'm gonna put this one over here. Look at that. Full volume and fullness dry shampoo. Dove. So that's 4 dry shampoos so far. We have Dove Scalp Anti-Dandruff Shampoo Dryness and Itch Relief. I'm not sure if I need this. It smells so good though. I might use it anyways. Don't you love when shampoos smell good? Everyman Jack Body Wash Shower Gel and Sandalwood. This is a men's body wash, so I will put this up for Jason next time I go visit him. And then we have 2 Up Premium Cotton Rounds. I love their cotton rounds. And there's another box. Okay. This one is the red one that I did see someone post that it was there. All of these I ordered 2 days ago on the Target ones. So they were still all available online at Target.com. And here is Blooming Into Beauty. There's no coupon. Oh, I love this. A Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula. Deep conditioning for dry, damaged, and color-treated hair. I love this. And there is at least 2, maybe 3 uses for me in here. So there's that. I love these. I've tried a couple of them. This is the Hydrate by Miss Spa Quench Dry Skin. Ingredients. Nope. There is no cranberries in that one. So another one I get to keep. Probiotic gummies, mixed berry with other natural flavors. There's 4 gummies in here. I'm looking to see the directions. Chew 2 gummies once daily. 15 calories. I don't know. I might try this. I might give it to my mom because she's trying to find a probiotic. So we'll look into that. We have a coupon for the Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula with vitamin E. There's a leave-in conditioner spray here. And it expires at the end of this month. So if I get a chance, I'll go get it. If not, I don't know. And then there's, that's $1 off. And here's $3 off those probiotics. So, and then here is the Native Coconut and Vanilla. I already have 1, possibly 2 of these. So I'm putting it in a giveaway. Because I love that stuff. It's all natural deodorant. And I love it. It's good. And I love the colors on this. Purple is my favorite color. And the box is purple. That is so awesome. This says Festival Beauty Headliners. I probably should have left everything. This coupon is expired, so this is the May box. The first one was the June box. Go me. Okay. Okay, this is dry spray. This is deodorant by Dove. I'm going to keep this because I've been liking this. Let's see, it says Cool Essentials. I love that cucumber smell. I keep showing y'all my hand. I am so sorry. I have to get all this set back up because I had it. Jelly Glow Peel with fruit enzymes. It's by Bliss. It's got coconut. I do have to say, always read the ingredients. Don't be like me where I accidentally messed up and used it, not realizing it had what I didn't need in it. But this is a Jelly Glow Peel. It says that you gently massage over damp skin in circular motion to roll, lift, and sweep away impurities. Rinse thoroughly. So it's like a wash. Alright. And then we got Hawaiian Tropic Antioxidant Refresh Sunscreen Mist. Oh, it's got green tea extract in it also. So, sunscreen mist. Let's smell it. Well, before I spray it, hold on. Okay. Smells decent. Not bad. And I'm about to try to get Eric a new pool. So this will work out for us. Then we have a holographic foil peel off mask by Mask Bar. And it's got anise, clove, grapefruit. Perfume, wintergreen, collagen. Okay, I could use this. Holographic. I wonder what that'll look like on my skin. Has anyone ever used these? Leave a remark in the description bar. I mean, in the comments, and let me know. Dry Texture Spray, Dry Shampoo by SGX NYC. I might have to take and put some of these in the back to school giveaway. But it says Do It All. The Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. Alright, and here is earrings. And it looks, I think that's what these are. Let me put this right here. Let's see what this is. Okay, we have, let's put this back up here where it should be. There's one missing. Alright, these are Scrunchy Special Looks. I have no idea what this is. I'm gonna have to look and see what it is. It doesn't say. Do you put these in your hair? If anybody knows what these are, I thought they were earrings. If they're earrings, I can't use them because I can only use gold earrings or my ears swell up. But let me know what these are. I'm gonna look it up at the web address and see if I can find out what they are exactly, and if they're for your hair or something. I will. They'll probably end up in the giveaway box anyways. Let me see, where's this thing? Loop through boho braid or place around crown of high pony for festival ready locks. Okay, these are going in the giveaway because I don't braid my hair and all that, so I'm going to put these in a giveaway. That's a neat little thing. Alright, and that is actually everything. That was all 4 boxes. The next box I'm going to open up right after this, so I'll be wearing the same thing, is my FabFitFun, my first one. I'm going to do an unboxing of that. I know it's late, but, you know, I was out of town. So we are going to go ahead and I think I'm going to put the dry shampoos. This is like overflowing over here in this Walmart box. So I'm going to put all these dry shampoos in one box. I want to keep that purple one. So let's take this see what we got here. We can put this on the side right here. Alright, and that'll fit there, and this will fit in there. So, we got 2 boxes that I could add, of stuff I could add to the giveaways. Monthly giveaways. Alright, we're going to go ahead and stick that right there for now. Alright, I'll see y'all in the next one, which will be recorded in a minute. Bye.